Hi guys, welcome back to OMG123, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys the alphabet pronunciation of K through R. And I also have 5 kids: Alex, Jenny, Jennifer, Hugh, and Lily. So let's all do it together, the sounds. And first me, it's going to be a K sound. Let's all do it together. Good job. And the animal is a kangaroo. Next, it's going to be L. And the sound of L is Let's all do it together. Alex, you didn't do it quite right. Let's try it one more time. Good job. And the animal is a lion. Next, it's going to be an M sound. So, let's do this M sound. First me, Let's all do it together. Let's try one more time. Great job. And the animal is a monkey. And the next sound will be the N sound. So the N sound is n. Let's all do it together. N. Perfect. And the animal is a narwhal. Next, it'll be O. And the O sound is ah. Let's all do it together. Ah. And let's try one more time, because Jennifer, you didn't do it quite right. So let's try one more time. Ah. Good job. And O says the second sound as well. So let's do the second sound of O. It's O. Let's all do it together. O. Perfect. And the animal is an octopus. Next, it's going to be Q. And the sound of Q is qua. Let's all do the sound of Q. Qua. And you did perfect. I think it's R. Oh, but there's koala for Q. But now, let's do P. Let's all do it together. Pa. Yeah, Alex and also Hugh, you didn't do it quite right. So let's try it one more time. Pa. Great job. And the animal is a pig. Next is going to be the last sound. It's R. Great job. And let's try it together now. Perfect. And the animal is a rhino. And thank you guys for watching. If you didn't get it quite right, the sounds that I was talking about and the animals, then you can just keep on watching this video. And if you don't get it, just keep on watching. And I love you guys.